So I do apologize, guys. I know last week's posting was not on schedule. I was supposed to have a VeterBox video out for you guys on Saturday. I did not get that done. I do have a video recorded. I'll save it for this coming Saturday. This past Saturday was actually supposed to be my college graduation. So we had a little party and whatnot at my house. Just didn't have time to edit and post on Saturday. So I will be more consistent now moving forward on these videos posting. So it'll be Monday, any type of unboxings or reviews. Thursday will still be our sneaker resale series, and then Saturday will still be our VeterBox series. So I hope to get back to that now moving forward and stay true to that schedule. Thanks, guys, and enjoy this video. What's up, guys? Back here with another video for you today on this Monday. Hope you guys are having a great start to your work week out there. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing, but it's going to be a little bit different than our usual unboxing. I'm going to kind of open it up here and show you guys a little bit more about my reselling journey, about what I'm doing here, because I'm not reselling just shoes anymore. So I've kind of broadened my horizons a little bit, and I've started reselling other things too, because I realize that there's money to be made out there and other things as well. So I'm going to show you a little bit about what I got this past week. There is some shoes in here though, so don't worry about that. Hey look, I found the knife again, so we're good. But we're going to go ahead and go through these packages. I believe I have 5 or 6, so I hope you guys enjoy this content. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like this video as well. It really helps me out as far as making these videos, keeping me motivated to make these videos, and it also just really helps the channel out. So if you guys could go ahead and do that, and if you don't mind sharing this video around as well with your friends, that'd be great, and I really appreciate you guys. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into all these packages here. So I have one big package down here to my right. I'm probably not going to take that one out because it is a little bit heavy. Pretty sure I know what it is, but let's go ahead and take a look. I just want to give a quick shout out to my cook group for all of this. My cook group is Fake Monitor. We're currently not accepting any more members right now. We don't have any slots open, but big shout out to them. They are the people who helped me cook all of these items that I have here today. And I actually have one more that is not here, but they helped me get that one too. So let's go ahead and look at what's in this big box. You may be a little surprised. All right, so I actually have 2 of these in here. That's why the box is so heavy, I forgot. But this is by Intex. This is a Dino Land Play Center. This is an inflatable pool for kids. Summertime's coming around. This is just one of the things that my cook group recommended us picking up. And so far I'm gonna make a decent amount of profit on this as well. So I have this one and one more in the box down there. So yeah, like I said, this is some of the other stuff that I do besides shoes. And you know, like I said, on selling platforms and stuff like that, you guys got to broaden your horizons. You can't just limit yourself to one platform. I believe I can't limit myself to just shoes right now. You know, eventually I would like to focus solely again on shoes, just shoes. But right now I'm going to be open to all things as far as reselling goes. So that's why we have items like Dino Land over there. But anyways, let's get into our second box. I don't really know exactly what this is. I think it is some streetwear that I picked up this past week. We need a GoFundMe for an unboxing knife or something. We got to do better than our kitchen knife. Yep, so this is a pickup I got last week. I actually manually picked this up. I don't even have anywhere to set boxes anymore. I'm filming this the day after the beater box that we had on Saturday. Back to this here. This is a Kith tee. This is a Kith pot of gold tee. For those of you who don't know, the brand is actually Kith, K-I-T-H. I'm not trying to say kiss with a lisp, which I do have, but it's actually Kith. Wow, now it sounds weird. Now it sounds like I'm trying to say kiss and I'm saying it weird. But anyways, I picked that tee up. Not really sure if I'm going to keep it or not, or if I'm going to sell it. The original plan was to resell it right off the bat. At first, prices tanked a little bit, so I was perfectly fine keeping it. I got comfortable with the idea of keeping it, but now prices have shot back up a little bit, and now I don't know what I'm going to do because I actually like the design of it, but I could also resell it, so we'll see. Let's see here. So I have 4 more boxes here, and there's actually only 2 different items. So I'm going to unbox this one first. And then I can show you the other package of this too. So I got 2 of these right here. So the Kith tee was manual. I got that one on my own. The Dino Land, that one was thanks to the Cook Group, and this one is also thanks to the Cook Group. We have a red and blue neon Nintendo Switch right here. So in case you guys don't know, Switches are incredibly difficult to get right now, and I was actually able to get 2 thanks to my Cook Group fake monitor. So I really appreciate them guys. If you want to get into reselling, if you're serious about it, I would highly recommend getting in some sort of Cook Group. Whether it's just for sneakers or other items, that's really up to you. But you can be a lot more successful if you have a group of people who's focused on this. And I'll cover exactly what a Cook Group is on this Thursday's episode of Sneaker Resale Series. If you didn't watch episode 1 of that, it was over selling platforms. I'll link that up in the card so you guys can check out that video. Super cool video. I highly encourage you guys to go check it out. Enough self-promoting. Here is the other Switch. So nothing too crazy about these. I was able to pick them up though, and I already have buyers arranged for them. So gonna get good little profit off of those. While I'm thinking of self-promoting, have you subscribed to the channel yet? Because if not, you totally should, because this is a fun channel to be subscribed to. And you should also share it with all your friends, like I said earlier, and like this video just because you like it, because you like the video. That's why you should like it. So last 2 boxes here, we do have some sneakers for you guys, and I haven't covered botting yet on Sneaker Resale Series. I definitely will at some point, but essentially just a quick version of botting. It's just a program really that helps you get shoes that are really difficult to get, and I've been trying to bot for a while now, unsuccessfully I might add, and this past Saturday actually I got my first success botting. I was able to get 2 pairs of the Jordan 1 Royal Toes that came out. I've actually already had a pair of those that I let go of. I'm already a size 10.5. This is such a good looking shoe. This is crazy. So this is a Jordan 1 Royal Toe in a size 8. I was able to pick this one up thanks to the bot. So shout out to AIO. That's the bot that I've been using. And if you guys wanted to pick up a copy of that bot, they do have copies in stock right now. So I'll link that down there in the description as well for you guys if you want to get into that. But in my opinion, I would not get into botting until you are serious about this and until you're ready for it, because it is an investment, not a cheap investment. So before you invest in something like a bot, make sure that you're really ready for it. If it is something that you seriously want to consider, reach out to me through the comment section down below, or reach out to me on Instagram, and I can try to help you guys as much as I can. I'm not an expert by any means, but I'm slowly learning. So if that's something that you guys do want to get into, let me know down there in the comments. But that's a subject that I will be covering in a later sneaker resale video, but that's going to be that's going to be a hefty topic, and it'll probably take a little while to cover. So our last box for today, this is a second pair of Jordan 1 Royal Toes. This is my third pair overall. And prices for these are doing really well right now, and I think they're going to continue to rise, and eventually they're just going to skyrocket, because this is an iconic colorway. And this shoe, I really wish that I would have got one in my size, because this shoe, the more and more I see it, I just fall in love with it even more every day, because this shoe is just absolutely beautiful. Maybe I'll do a more in-depth review on this shoe for a later video, but this shoe is just fantastic. I think it's a great colorway. So glad that I was able to get a couple pair of these, and hopefully we'll have more success with the bot moving forward. So that's our video today, guys. If you did like this content, make sure to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Third time saying it, I'm going to keep saying it until all of you guys subscribe and like the videos. But I appreciate you watching this video with us. This is just a little peek into what I do as a reseller overall, not just sneakers. Like you see, we've got a lot of stuff going on here. And this is just a part of it. Like I said, I try not to limit myself too much when it comes to reselling. You shouldn't limit yourself either in anything you do, not just reselling or anything like that. Got a little philosophical there for a second, motivational speaker, but it's true. Never limit yourself. If you want to accomplish something, just go out there and do it. But anyways, that's it for our video today. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. We will see you on Thursday for episode 2 of our sneaker resale series. I am not sure what it's about yet, so I'm not going to tell you. But be sure and hit the bell so you can be notified when that video drops and when all of our future videos drop. We are going to be on the grind to 1,000 subscribers. I know that's a lofty goal, but I think we can get there. I'm going to keep pushing this content out, and if you guys can help me grow this channel, we will get to 1,000 subscribers. That's the first big goal that we have. And when we do, I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'm going to do something massive to give back to you guys, because without you guys, this is just me making videos for nobody. So I appreciate everything that you guys do. Watching the videos, liking, subscribing, I appreciate it. It's not lost on me at all. So thank you so much for that, and we will see you guys on Thursday.